If you observe the column G, you will come to know that we can use the comma as a separator to separate the content from one another. So to use the delimiter here, the shortcut is first you have to select the elements. This is not mandatory though, but still, it is always good to select the portion on which you have to apply some operation. So here I have selected the data. Now I'm hitting Alt AE. This will prompt us to apply the delimiter. Now I'm clicking on next. Here I'm keeping comma as a separator over here. Now clicking on next, you will be getting, and clicking on finish, you will be getting an content in different columns. So Alt AE is the shortcut for that.